All right, so we're gonna be making chicken chips, high protein recipe, easy to make. So all you really need is your ground chicken and then some spices of your choice. We're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna put some spices together and then mix it up in this bowl. All right, next we're gonna actually take all this and we're just gonna dump it right onto the chicken. We're also gonna add a little sriracha for flavor. All right, next we're gonna roll it into a ball. All right, next you wanna roll out the chicken with a roller. Now, you didn't see this, you'll see this in the bloopers coming soon, but you wanna actually grab parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. We're gonna just roll right over it, flatten it out. All right, and then next you just want to put it in the oven for 350 degrees, keep it in there for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over and put it in for another time. All right, now that it was in there for 20 minutes, we gotta flip it, so I'm gonna do this quickly. All right, we're gonna put it back in the oven for another time.